Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Welcome back to each and everyone. Today we will continue with the discussion on operations of RAE, particularly addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. To add or subtract fractions with different denominators, we need to learn how to find the least common denominator. Same as getting the LCD of fractions, first is to factor the given denominators. Next, we take the product of all the unique factors. Remember, each factor should be raised to a power equal to the greatest number of times that factor appears in any one of the factored denominators. Paano kunin ang LCD ng rational expression? Halimbawa, ang given ay 1 over 6y at 3x all over 4y plus 12. So, para makuha natin ang LCD ng dalawang expressions na ito, una kunin natin yung denominator ng unang given na rational expression. So, we have here 6y. Ang factor ng 6y ay 2 times 3y. And then, yung pangalawa naman nating denominator ay 4y plus 12. Yung 4y at 12, may common factor siya na 4 at may remaining factor siya na y plus 3. Then, yung 4, i-rewrite natin siya as 2 raised to 2. Since 2 times 2 is also equal to 4. And then, kokopyahin natin yung y plus 3. Ngayon, para makuha yung LCD, pagsasamahin ngayon natin itong factors na ito. Ko-compare natin yung common factor niya. So, meron tayong 2 rito, meron tayong 2 square. Ang kukunin natin pagka LCD ay yung mas mataas ang exponent. So, we will write the LCD as 2 square. And then, we will also write 3y and also y plus 3. So, ang LCD natin ay 2 square times 3y times y plus 3. And then, we simplify this. 2 square is 4 times 3y is 12y times the sum of y plus 3. Ito na ngayon ang ating LCD. Second example ng pagkuha ng LCD ng rational expression. Given ay 4 all over x squared plus 4x plus 3. At ang ikalawa, 4x minus 2 all over x squared plus 10x plus 21. So, ang una natin gagawin dito ay ipafactor natin yung x squared plus 4x plus 3. Ano ba yung factor ng 3 na pagka inad natin, ang sagot ay 4? Yon ay 3 at 1. So, ang factored form ng x squared plus 4x plus 3 ay x plus 3 times quantity x plus 1. Ang sumunod na step ay kunin naman natin yung denominator ng ikalawang rational expression, x squared plus 10x plus 21. Ano yung factors ng 21 na pagka inad naman natin, ang magiging sagot ay 10? Walang iba kundi 7 at 3. So, ang factors ng x squared plus 10x plus 21 ay x plus 3 times x plus 7. Ngayon naman, na alam na natin yung factors ng dalawang denominator, ikumpara natin siya. Mapapansin natin yung x plus 3 ay nasa unang factor ng unang denominator, ganon din sa ikalawa. So, isusulat natin ito na isang beses lamang. So, you have x plus 3 at yung mga natitira pang factors ng denominator ay kokopyahin din natin. Ang magiging LCD ngayon natin ay x plus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 7. Addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. To add, or subtract rational expressions with unlike denominators, you have to change them to equivalent forms that have the same denominator. And this involves finding the least common denominator of the two original rational expressions. Narito ang ilang halimbawa kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng rational algebraic expression. Example 1. 15/7a plus 8/6a. Kung mapapansin natin, ang ating denominator ay magkaiba. Kung ganon, kailangan nating hanapin ang LCD or ang least common denominator. Sa pagkuha ng LCD, para lang tayong kumukuha ng LCD ng fractions. 7 at saka 6, ang LCD niya ay 42. Then, may pareho tayong A, kaya ang LCD ng 7A at 6A ay 42A. Then, yung 42A na LCD, di-divide natin by 7A. Then, we get 6. Then, yung 42A divided by 6A, we will be able to get 7. Yung sagot natin, imumultiply ngayon natin sa ating mga numerators. 6 times 15 is 90 and 7 times 8 is 56. Yung kanyang LCD na 42A, ilalagay lang natin sa denominator. Ngayon na pareho na ang kanyang LCD, ang kanyang denominator, then pwede nating i-add yung ating numerators. 90 plus 56 ay 146, and then we copy the common denominator na 42A. Then, we reduce 146/42A into lowest term. Meron tayong common factor na 2 sa 146 at 42. So, we divide 146 by 2, we get 73, and 42 divided by 2 is 21. We just copy the variable a in the denominator. So, our final answer now will be 73 all over 21a. Narito naman ang halimbawa kung paano mag-subtract ng rational algebraic expressions. So, ang given, 5/2x minus 6 minus 3 all over 6 minus 2x. Okay, so ating pansinin muna kung pareho ba ang ating denominator. So, hindi siya parehas. Bakit? Yung 2x dito ay positive, sa kabila, ang 2x ay negative. Dito naman, yung 6 ay negative, at dito naman ang 6 ay positive. So, magkabaligtad siya. Pagka ganyan, ang kailangan nating gawin, yung ating subtrahend ay imumultiply natin by negative 1. Pagka minultiply yung subtrahend ng negative 1 times negative 3 ay magiging positive 3. At yung negative 1 times 6 ay magiging negative 6 naman. Negative 1 times negative 2x magiging positive 2x. Kung mapapansin nyo, pinagbaligtad ko na yung paglagay ng 2x minus 6 para parehas na ang ating denominator. So, yung buong equation, yung ating buong subtrahend, minultiply natin again by negative 1. Kaya naging ganito na ngayon ang kanyang denominator. Naging parehas na. Then, after that, pwede na ngayon nating i-add ang ating numerator. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And then, we will just copy yung 2x minus 6 na parehas na denominator. After that, yung ating numerator at yung ating denominator ay isi-simplify natin. We will try to factor yung 8. Ang factor ng 8 ay 2 times 2 times 2. Ang factor naman ng ating denominator na 2x minus 6 ay 2 times quantity x minus 3. Now, looking at our numerator and denominator, meron tayong common factor. Ang common factor niya ay 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, mawawala na itong 2 na to. Ang matitira sa numerator ay 2 times 2. And that is equal to 4. At ang matitira naman sa denominator natin ay yung x minus 3. So our final answer will be 4 over x minus 3. Example 3. 3 subtract from 7 over 2x minus 3. Mapapansin natin, ang subtrahend natin ay whole number. Kung whole number siya, ibig sabihin, ang denominator niya ay 1. So, pwede natin itong i-rewrite ng 7 over 2x minus 3 minus 3 over 1. And then, kunin na ngayon natin yung LCD ng 2x minus 3 at 1. Ang LCD niya ay 2x minus 3. Then, yung 2x minus 3, divide natin sa denominators natin. 2x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3 is 1. And 2x minus 3 divided by 1 is 2x minus 3. Then, yung sagot, imumultiply ngayon natin sa mga numerators. 1 times 7 is 7. And 3 times 2x minus 3, applying distributive property, it will become 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Now, na pareho na yung ating denominator, pwede na nating i-combine yung ating numerators with the common denominator na 2x minus 3. So, the numerator now will be 7 minus 6x plus 9. Then, we combine like terms in the numerator. 7 plus 9 is 16 minus 6x. And then, all over 2x minus 3. Next step is to factor our numerator. 16 minus 6x can be factored having a common factor of 2. 2, then the remaining factor will be 8 minus 3x. Then, copy the common denominator, 2x minus 3. So, our final answer now will be 2 times 8 minus 3x all over 2x minus 3. Fourth example, we have here 4 all over x squared minus x minus 6 plus x all over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So, ang una nating gagawin dito ay ipa-factor natin yung denominator natin. Ano yung factor ng 6 na magbibigay sa atin ng sagot na negative 1 pagka sinubtract? Kasi magkaiba sila ang sign ng third term natin ay negative at ang middle term natin ay negative din. Sa kabila naman, ano yung factor ng 6 na pagka-inad natin, magbibigay sa atin ng sagot na 5. Kasi nga, ang last term natin ay plus, ang middle term natin ay plus din. So, ang factor ng x squared minus x minus 6 ay x minus 3 times x plus 2. At ang factor naman ng x squared plus 5x plus 6 ay x plus 3 times x plus 2. Okay? So, with these factors of our denominator, ikukunin na natin yung LCD. Para makuha yung LCD, tingnan natin, i-compare natin yung denominator, pareho siyang may x plus 2. Yung x plus 2 ay isusulat lang natin ng isang beses. Tapos, yung natirang denominator na x minus 3 at saka x plus 3 ay kukopyahin natin. So, ang magiging LCD natin ay x minus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Next, i-divide natin yung bawat denominator sa ating LCD. And then, imumultiply natin yung sagot sa ating numerator. Pagka dinivide yung x minus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 by the denominator x minus 3 times x plus 2, ang matitira ay x plus 3. Yun yung imumultiply natin sa 4. And then, sa kabila naman, yung ating LCD ay x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 times x plus 2, ang matitira ngayon sa kanya ay yung x minus 3. Multiply din natin siya sa numerator na x. And then, since pareho na yung ating denominator, pwede na ngayon nating i-combine yung numerators. Pero bago natin i-combine, we can apply distributive property to these terms in our numerator. 4 times x is 4x and 4 times 3 is 12. Then, x times x is x squared and x times negative 3 is negative 3x. So, we apply distributive property. Now, we have 4x plus 12 plus x squared minus 3x all over the common denominator x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Then we combine like terms. 4x minus 3x is equal to x plus yung remaining terms sa numerator natin, 12 plus x squared. Then we just rearrange, so we have the final answer as x squared plus x plus 12 all over x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. That's all for today. See you on our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.